Hello everybody. Today we have Mr. N.M. Mehra, VP Technical and Engineering from Visual Technologies Private Limited India, to have a discussion on HD and 3D and its penetration in India. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, HD is one of the technologies that is being talked about most in India. So would you like to please comment on the penetration of the technology in India and how do you perceive it?
You're very right to say that HD, that is the high definition as it is known, is being talked about for many years throughout the world. And in India, leaving apart few channels which are being uplinked on Sun TV DTH platform, nobody else at present is broadcasting in high definition. Yes, many are looking ahead to broadcast television in future in high definition. Probably it will be happening with the Commonwealth Game, and the National Public Service broadcaster, that is Doordarshan, has already committed, and I understand that Commonwealth Games will be covered in high definition only, and Doordarshan will be telecasting Commonwealth Games in high definition, and I understand they are going to set up some TV studios also in some of the important cities for the high definition. But yes, when high definition is being talked from last so many years, the question does arise in the mind that why high definition is not picked up in, and why the high definition has not become popular and now it is being talked about. The reason is simple, that earlier it was unaffordable, now it is affordable. Technology has made it very much affordable for the common man to go for the high definition TV sets. Earlier they were it was looking to be very costly, and the delivery method for the high definition was difficult. Now, in order to understand high definition, we should first understand what it means by high definition, what it common man understand by the high definition, how he can perceive high definition. We all know that television which we receive as on date is standard definition, or popularly known as SDTV. The major difference in between high definition and standard definition television is that present format of the standard definition in our country is with the aspect ratio of 4:3. That is, if its width of your TV screen is 4, then the height will be 3. The ratio of the width to the height will be 4:3, that is 1.3T or something like that. But in case of high definition, the screen size will be 16:9. That is, if its width is 16, then the height will be 9. It means the picture will be more wider, though height-wise it will be comparatively reducing. So it means picture will be looking more wider. That is the major one basic difference in between high definition and standard definition. Now, other than this, high definition gives a better resolution. That is, a long distance shot, a shot where you are showing distant object will be looking to you more with more resolution, more attractive. The resolution of high definition picture is about 5 times, not about, it is 5 times than of a regular standard definition television. Now, the question arises in the mind of the people that why high definition? What is the need to have high definition? Already we are seeing in standard definition, we are happy with the standard definition, picture quality is okay. The reason why people are going for high definition is that if you are to see a television on a bigger screen, a screen bigger than 21 inch, a screen bigger than 30 inch, or I should say that 142 inch screen, 50 inch screen or 65 inch screen, then high definition is required. The picture density of standard definition may not be good enough to be blown on a bigger size. The picture will tear if it is projected on a bigger screen. So high definition means the viewer should have a bigger screen, which will be high definition screen and 16:9.